The second type of composite figure is when you're removing a figure from another one. So in this situation we have this cube, and I know it's a cube because of these tick marks indicating that the length, width, and height are all the same. They're all congruent to each other. So I have this cube and I am cutting out this cylinder. This is hollow right here in the middle, so that cylinder is missing. What I'm doing is I'm taking the volume of the cube and I'm subtracting the volume of the cylinder. So a cube is just a prism, and the formula for volume of a prism is the area of the base times the height. And then I'm going to subtract the volume of the cylinder, pi r squared h. The area of the base, well, this is 5, then this is 5, then this is 5, and this is 5, and this is 5. So the area of the base is just this square right here. 5 times 5 is 25. And then the height of the cube is also 5. Then I'm going to subtract the volume of the cylinder, pi. The radius of that cylinder is 2. And the height of that cylinder, if this is 5, and if you think, okay, this is 5, this is 5, so if this is 5, and I think about like from the front to the back of that box is 5, so the height of that cylinder is also 5. So the height of the cylinder is 5. So now I can just go type all of that into my calculator. 25 times 5 is 125. 2 squared times 5 is 20 pi. So if I had asked you to keep your answer in terms of pi, this would be your final answer. You cannot combine those any further because 20 has a pi on it and 125 does not. Those are not like terms because they both don't have a pi stuck on it. But if I had just said round to the nearest tenth, you just go type it in your calculator and you'd get 62.2, and since this is volume, it's units cubed.